Okay, we've got everything here that we're going to need to finish the head. We got the mouth. We got this carved out and cut. So once we once we put that in, then we'll be able to see if we have to make more adjustments on that. This block here is going to go here, and we got a 1-inch hinge that will go on here, and that will be able to open and close the mouth. This will get screwed in from the sides on that. We have a 1/2-inch dowel. That's going to go in here, and that's what your string is going to come up and over. We have these hooks here. One's going to go in the top of the mouth, or the top of the head, for our spring. And the other one will go into the bottom of our stick. This we put a rubber band on to the body to help hold the head still for you. We have these 2 little eye hooks. Those get attached to the mouth. One will go back here for your string, and the other will attach up here for the spring. That will go to the top of the head. That will pull it closed. We have a 3-inch spring. I got 24-inch nylon line here that I'm going to use. We've already made the ears, which you can see in earlier videos that I have. But there's our ears for the character. We have 2 acrylic eyes that we're going to put in him. And that's everything we need. We got the back of the head. We got everything we need. What we're going to do on our next video is we're going to get this drilled out to put our stick in. Then we'll work on the mouth to get the mouth put in and adjusted. That's probably your most important part, is making sure your mouth is going to open and close properly, and make sure it opens wide enough for you. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I would appreciate it. Thanks for watching.